preservation of the material there, the anoxic layer is just fantastic. There's no...
I looked at it and it was saffron, and I was like, hey, it just can't be. I mean, this has never been found before. Can it possibly be something else? So I looked at it, and no, I mean, it is saffron. It is saffron. And it's just not a little bit, it's lots. To find spices like this in one assemblage is quite remarkable. If we look at the exotic spices, it's very unique. Saffron, particularly. This is the only archaeological context where we found saffron. So it's very unique and it's very special.
Really long.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's like from the very... Here it is. So this is the clove.
Oh, wow.
So these are the flower buds.
I don't know how wide the range of clove is now.
The Baltic is strange. It's low oxygen, low temperature, low salinity. So many organic things are well preserved in the Baltic, where they wouldn't be preserved elsewhere in the world ocean system. Coupled with that, when things get buried in the sediments, they're particularly well preserved. So sometimes we do find foodstuffs. Earlier on Gribshunden, we found the remains of a sturgeon fish, about a 2-meter long fish. Again, a very prestigious item reserved for the king. But to find spices like this is quite extraordinary. I've never seen anything quite like the spices from Gribshunden, and it sparked my imagination. I thought, if the Baltic is such a great preservative environment, that we have something as ephemeral as saffron in the sediments, what about the other extraordinary places for archaeological preservation underwater? Now, I worked in the Black Sea 20 years ago. Maybe these spices came across this route from Persia, from the Far East, across the Caspian Sea, into the Black Sea, and then into the greater Mediterranean. The Black Sea at depth has no dissolved oxygen, so everything that falls into that deep water is perfectly preserved. The Caspian Sea, as far as I know, no one's ever looked. It could be the exact same thing.